Fine girl. How much your banana?
500 rupees for 5.
Na banana I come buy, but na your beauty at the price now.
Oga, if you no buy, shift make serious customers pass.
Do you know that you can also create that effect that you just watched now? Yes, you can create that, and in less than 2 minutes I will show you how to create that powerful effect that you watch, okay, with just your smartphone and editing app. Okay, so let's get started now. Let me show you how to do that quickly. So if you are new in this channel and Miracle Update, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistake you should avoid to keep your video professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay connected. Okay, so let's get started now. We are going to use YouCut to achieve this, and this is YouCut app here. So click on it. Once it open, click on the plus icon, then new project. So firstly, import the video you want to work with, okay? The video you want to fill in the clothes of a person, okay? That is the video you will import first, okay? So I'll look for the video I want to fit in the character clothes. So it can be your photo. You can snap a picture, then you use it, okay? As far as you apply the strategy I'm going to show you now, it will work, okay? So this video over here is 16:9 ratio, okay, and the picture we want to work with is 9:16. So we are going to change the ratio of this video to 9:16. So this is how to do it quickly. Click on tap, make sure you tap on the video clip, then go to crop over here, tap on it, then slide to 9:16. You can see it, then place it in where you want it to be. This is perfect. I want it to be here, so I'll click on the check mark to save it. Okay, yeah, so have you seen that it has changed the ratio? So after doing this, now the next thing you should do is click on pip to import the picture of the person or picture of you. Okay, so I'm going to import this picture here. So this is the picture over here. So the next thing you will do is slide to fill the picture to the screen. Okay, after doing that, then click on this little arrow with green background over here. Click on it, then you see video end. Click on video end for the picture to be extended to the video size. Okay, so after doing that, then click on slide back. You will see chroma. Click on the chroma. Okay, once you click on the chroma, hold your thumbs on this round shape over here, then drag it and pick the color, which is blue color. Okay, once you pick it, then increase the strength. So after increasing the strength, you decrease the shadow. Are you seeing how I'm doing it? So increase the strength and decrease the shadow. So this is it. Don't increase the strength to the highest, because if you do that, it's going to show off this. Okay, so just leave it minimum at 50 or 60 depending on the color you pick. Okay, so this is it. This is nice. So after doing that, click on this check mark over here. So let's play the video so you see how it look now. All right, do you see how the video is now playing in the shirt? So this is one of the powerful tricks that you can do now to get your video viral. Okay, so when you want to snap a picture, okay, or if you want to download the picture from online, make sure that the color of the dress is different from the color of the background. Okay, so make sure they are totally different, opposite each other. Okay, so that will make your video to go well. All right, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I would like to know the next video you would like to watch next. All right, so bye for now.